Today I'm at the Desert Retreat in Indio, California. This is North Indio, right near the 10 freeway, kind of wedged between Sun City Shadow Hills. I'm going to show you the smallest floor plan, the Getaway. Square footage 1444. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. The starting price tag here for a new home is $450 for a Getaway. This is just one of those floor plans that you understand right away. Wide open living room and kitchen, and then 2 bedrooms on both sides of the house. So our guest bedroom back here. Here at Desert Retreat, our location, you're tucked up right against the Little San Bernardino Mountains. Over there is going to be San Jacinto, and then to the south is going to be Santa Rosa's. I'll give you a good view of the adjacent mountains in the backyard. But let's get you into the living room and kitchen. This is a 55-plus community. The clubhouse is planned to be completed around a year from today. The number of homes is planned to be around 1,445, right under 1,500. Low HOAs, resort-style living. Very similar lifestyle to a lot of the 55-plus communities that I specialize here in Coachella Valley. So if you're not necessarily wanting to get a brand new home and you're more interested in some of the Sun City Shadow Hills or Sun City Palm Desert, Trilogy La Quintas or Heritage Palms, all very similar lifestyles to here at Desert Retreat. My number's on the screen here. Please reach out to me. I offer community tours, so it's a no obligation tour. You hop in the car with me or follow along with me, and we go and take a look at the amenities or some vacant houses. Totally zero pressure for your purchase timeline. It's a good way to get to know me. It's a good way for me to get to know you as well and what you're trying to achieve. I've been selling homes in the 55-plus communities for over 10 years now. And there's a reason why I sit close to these 55-plus communities. The lifestyle is very hard to compete with for how much value is provided. There's the backyard where I'm going to take you next. Primary, so guest bedroom as we walked in, kitchen and a living room here. The garage is access through the kitchen there. It's locked, so I can't take you in there. This is a model home. And then right here is going to be the primary. The Getaway floor plan. Starting price $450. Obviously, if you want it to look like this with all the upgrades, it's going to cost a little bit more. I do have good relationships with the salesman here on site. If you want to tour any of the homes here, there's 10 floor plans. It's open, I believe, 7 days a week. Please check the status of that. But all the time, they're sitting here open. Easy for you to stop by and take a look at these beautiful models and learn more about Desert Retreat. You can do it with me. Just reach out with the phone number on the screen there, and you can walk through these houses and kind of learn about the community through me. Then, like I said, if you wanted to look at some of the other 55-plus, we can do that as well. Or help yourself, stop on by, and the agents will let you on into the models. Very easy, no obligation as well, to come and just learn about Desert Retreat. It's nothing like walking through model homes. So everything here in Desert Retreat is going to be a single family home, no shared walls or anything like that. You get a nice sized backyard. There's plans to be, nice walking paths around the community. If you're familiar with Webb Ranch Mirage, the floor plans here are just about identical. I think there's one different floor plan. Even the names are the same. It's almost a copy and paste, housing development compared to Webb Ranch Mirage, except now we're over here in North Indio, tucked up against the Little San Bernardino Mountains, which I'll talk to you about really quickly just after showing you the backyard. But the Little San Bernardino Mountains are to the left there. Behind the Little San Bernardino Mountains is Joshua Tree. You can get to the Cottonwood entrance of Joshua Tree around 30 minutes from here. And it actually cools down about 5-10 degrees if you go up to the higher elevation of Joshua Tree. I do that a lot in the summertime. But yeah, this wall's a little bit high for me to show you, but I'll just poke over the wall there, and those are the Little San Bernardino Mountains and the Indio Hills. Over there is San Gorgonio, that's San Bernardino Mountains, and then San Gorgonio, as I talked about over there, that's where the tram goes. But right here is where Joshua Tree is, and these are the beautiful Little San Bernardino Mountains, and the mud-looking ones at the base of it is the Indio Hills. And we're here at Desert Retreat. a brand new 55 plus community being built. I think there's only about 30 to 50 homes that have been built so far, but definitely worth checking out. And anything you need, my number's on the screen. I'll see you at the next video. Thanks for watching.